Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by validating prerequisites. Check your ESP32 UART pins and the GPS module voltage. Connect VCC to 3V and GND to GND right away. Then wire the GPS TX line to the ESP32 RX pin and GPS RX to ESP32 TX. If the module is 5V, use a level shifter to avoid damaging the ESP32. Once done, keep cables short and shielded to minimize noise. Make sure power is stable before powering up to avoid brownouts, or next you configure UART and write the code. Initialize serial for debugging, then use serial 1 or serial 2 for the GPS hardware port. Assign the exact pins used. Set the baud rate to match the module, commonly 9,600, but some use 115,200, so the parser reads clean sentences. Load tiny GPS++ or another NME parser and extract latitude, longitude, and time. Once parsing works, add retry and timeout handling so your program recovers from dropped sentences and avoids blocking the main loop. Finally, you complete the setup and verify a GPS fix. Place the antenna with a clear sky view and avoid metal or dense enclosures so satellites are visible. Make sure the ESP32 has a stable 3V supply and decoupling capacitors to prevent resets. Once running, test outdoors for a faster first fix. If you don't get a fix, log raw NME data, try alternate baud rates, confirm TX/RX wiring, and increase the timeout. These steps often reveal wiring or configuration problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.